All right, this message is for anyone who plans to purchase a home by getting approved for a mortgage or going through a bank or any form of traditional lending. This message is for you. Now, when you're trying to get pre-qualified for a mortgage, every lender or every mortgage loan officer or loan originator is going to ask you for your last 2 months of bank statements. On those last 2 months of bank statements, we are confirming that you have seasoned funds in that account that you'll be using to purchase your home. So let me break that down for you. Seasoned funds are pretty much any money that you'll be using to purchase a home that has been in the bank for at least 60 to 90 days. So if you have 50 grand in the bank, right? But it was in the previous to the last 2 months, we don't have any question about those funds or how they got there or how you were able to save it. Whatever the case may be, that doesn't matter to us. But if you give us your last 2 months bank statements and there's 25K that went in July, 25K that went in June, we need to know where that money came from, how you got it, and we need to be able to source those funds or you won't be able to use it towards purchasing your home. So multiple large amounts of Zelle transaction, cash out transactions, cash deposited into the bank. We have to know where that money comes from. So if you are someone that does lawn maintenance on the side and on the weekend you pick up side jobs, you have a invoice to match the deposits of the money that you make, you have an LLC set up, where we can verify those funds, you got invoices to match it, no problem, we're good to go. If you're depositing large amounts of money every weekend or every other day and you have no clear explanation of how you came about those funds or how you made that money and you don't want to tell us, then we have to disregard those funds and we won't be able to use that money towards your purchase. Not saying that, anything else, but that doesn't matter to us. We just know that that money can't be used towards the purchase. So if it's 10K that you use, that you deposit, that we can't verify, that 10K will have to be disregarded and we'll have to be able to use whatever you have left in the account towards your purchase. In the event that there is money in there that we have to verify, there's something called a letter of explanation, where you pretty much just write a statement and that you're able to verify exactly where the money came from, how you got the money, what it is, and we submit that to the underwriter and, hopefully they clear that condition. Sources of seasoned funds, savings accounts. You can have all your money, direct deposit, everything going to your main checkings account, and then your seasoned funds may be in your savings where you have every 2 weeks, every time you get paid, that money's going over there. We can use that. Your 401k or any retirement account, you're able to tap into that, get us a statement. We know that that money is being matched by your employer or being deposited every month from your paycheck. Those are seasoned funds. You can use that. Inheritances. If anyone passes away, passes anything down, life insurance, large deposits like that isn't a problem. You will be able to use that money. No issue, no problem. And then there are also gift letters. So your cousin can't just come hand you $10,000 and be like, yeah, cuz, go ahead and get you a house. I got you. That money has to be transferred from your cousin's account to the title company or from your cousin's account to your account with two of your cousin's bank statements as well, because we need to verify those funds in his account and that he's able to give that money or she's able to give that money. And they have to provide a gift letter saying, yeah, this is XYZ. I'm giving this money to my cousin ABC, and this is the amount that I'm giving, and I want to help. It's just a gift. They're not required to pay that money back. So a gift letter has to be provided as well, because they can't be like, I'm gonna let you hold this money, but I need you to make payments this amount for this loan, because then that's another debt, and that's money we have to factor into your debt to income ratio. So just to sum it up, seasoned funds, money must be in the bank. No large deposits, no large transactions, no unsourceable funds going into your account going into your account 2 months before the transaction, or at all, but definitely not 2 months before the transaction. If you have any questions about home buying, real estate, assisted living, all things real estate, holler at me if you need me.